Okay, behind the cabin, so 5 bit area, and then I chucked a passion fruit up here, which climbed up. It'd be at least 10 meters up by now. It's up past that fork. You can't really see it, but it's way up there. So hopefully next year it'll get more height and flower. Some aloe vera. You should get some of it. And then just around the back we've got avocados. The car that was left here. Don't know what I'm doing with that yet. Considering using the wheelbase to try and make a chicken coop. Don't know. But we've got avocados and mangoes all out the back here. I think I got 5 avocados, 2 mangoes so far, but I'll probably put more in. And then the lonely peach that everyone tries to run over. It's kind of in the way, but it's getting fruit, so for now it stays until it gets run over. So that's out back of the cabin.